Okay guys, so a very quick one right here guys. So finally I've been able to verify my own accounts on IdOS. All right, so this is actually a very good thing because I've been trying this for a couple of times since IdOS Airdrop launched around the 25th of September, but I have not succeeded. But lucky for me today, I was able to verify my profile today. So if you're watching me right now, go ahead and try out today because I believe it's going to be working for you as well, because I've tried this multiple times and I kept on failing, and right now I've succeeded guys. So go ahead right now, create your own account, verify it. It is very simple. It will only require you to scan your face, and once you just scan your face and connect your wallet, you confirm the wallet pops up. That is, you will confirm the wallet notification that's going to be coming in asking you to verify some couple of stuff right there, and once you just verify it, then you are good to go. All right, so this is basically all you need to know about IdOS Airdrop. All right, so you need to only verify your profile, then you come over here to your point, then you have to go ahead and complete just a very few points right here. They are as simple as that guys. So looking down right here, you can see this is your referral link that you need to use to refer people into this. Of course, each person you refer is going to be earning you 5 IdOS points guys. So looking down right here, you can see we have talked about IdOS on X to get social points. So this is actually coming soon, meaning that it is not yet live. And also contribute to IdOS event. This is also coming very soon. So once you just verify your profile like I've verified mine right here, then all you need to do next is to go ahead and complete this task. And after completing this task right here, just go ahead and wait for more tasks to be added. So it's as simple as that guys. So coming over here to CryptoRank, you can see that this project actually raised $4.5 million guys, and they are being funded by a lot of top VCs, that is people who are very prominent in the crypto space. These actually include you can see Seco, Fabric Venture, Ripple, Arbitrum, Gnosis, Tezos Foundation, Aleph, and Near Foundation. All these people right here are top investors that you don't want to joke with. So this is very simple, and one good thing about this airdrop also is that it is totally free. I mean, it won't cost you a dime. Also, they are live right here on the world chain leaderboard. So over here you can see 0.8 of their total supply is actually meant for the people who are going to be quacking about them on the X. So I'll be talking more about that in the coming video, and I'll be making another video as a whole concerning this world chain airdrop in the coming days. So it is as simple as that guys. So if you haven't started with this IdOS airdrop yet, go ahead and start right now because it is still brand new. It only launched around 25th of September 2025. So if you haven't started yet, go ahead and start right now guys. So more updates are coming around this in the coming days. Do not miss out on this. This is one of the best airdrop you are ever going to be participating on, because I've been seeing a lot of people, a lot of prominent persons who don't just talk about anyhow airdrop, talk about this IdOS airdrop. So I have this faith on it that they are going to be doing massively well guys. So if you haven't started yet, a link is going to be right there on the video description box. Once you click on the link, then you have to connect your wallet, verify it, scan your face, and that is basically all you need to do right now. You can see the tasks that they have right here are all very simple. Remember, more tasks are coming very soon, and I'll be updating you guys right there on our Telegram and also here on YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, go ahead and smash that subscription button and make sure you like this video. Most importantly, share our video to any of your friends and drop a very nice comment right there on the comment section to stand a chance of earning free tone coin from our Telegram channel. So thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video dropping very soon.